Hey guys, Arun from GadgetGuruBN.com. Today I'll be talking on 5 aspects about the OnePlus 8T. Firstly, about the top 4 things you need to know. Secondly, about the other specs. Thirdly, price variants, colors and availability. Fourthly, pros, cons, product VFM and GadgetGuruBN ratings. And lastly, what do I feel about the OnePlus 8T? So before we get started, make sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram to never miss future updates. Let's dive in. First one, performance. Device comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC and runs Android 11 with close to stock Android Oxygen OS 11 interface on top. The overall performance should be excellent as it features 1 core based on ARM Cortex-A77 clocked at 2.84 GHz, 3 cores based on ARM Cortex-A77 clocked at 2.42 GHz, 4 cores based on ARM Cortex-A55 clocked at 1.8 GHz. Graphics is taken care by Adreno 650 GPU, excellent efficiency of 7nm SoC, up to 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Second one, display. Device comes with 6.55-inch display which should offer great quality as it features Super AMOLED panel with HDR10, Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate with 240Hz touch sampling rate, great sharpness, pretty great auto visibility, great colors and cinematic viewing experience. Third one, battery. Device comes with 4500 mAh battery which supports 65W fast charging. The battery life should be great as it features bigger battery size, excellent efficiency of the 7nm plus SoC, 4 cores based on ARM Cortex-A55 clocked at 1.8 GHz. These are the battery life stats. Fourth one, camera. Device comes with 4 rear cameras with dual LED flash and 1 front camera. The overall camera quality should be pretty great in day and good in night as it features 48MP main Sony IMX586 sensor with f1.7 aperture with PDAF, OIS and EIS, a 16MP ultrawide camera with f2.2 aperture and 123° field of view, a 5MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. Video recording options include 4K at 30 or 60 fps, Full HD at 30, 60 or 120 fps, Super Slow Motion 720p at 480 fps with Gyro EIS image stabilization. The 16MP front camera features Sony IMX471 sensor with f2.4 aperture. Video recording options include Full HD at 30 fps with Gyro EIS image stabilization. Next up, other specs. The device comes with pretty great features which includes all the important sensors including fingerprint and gyroscope. Connectivity options include dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1 with LDAC, USB Type-C, 5G, NFC, dual band GPS and more. Audio features include dual stereo speakers, noise cancellation support and supports Dolby Atmos sound enhancement. It also features an alert slider. Coming to form factor, the device features following dimensions which is slim at 8.4mm and weighs 188 grams. Build consists of Corning Gorilla Glass on front and back with aluminum frame. Box contents includes device itself, 65W adapter, USB-C to C cable, case, screen protector, paperwork, SIM tool and warranty card. Next up, price, variants, colors and availability. Device is priced 42,999 and 45,999 for 8 plus 128GB and 12 plus 256GB variants. Comes in 2 colors, Luna Silver and Aquamarine Green. For availability, it is already available from 16th via Amazon. I'll have the Amazon links in the description so that you can check it out. For launch offer, there's 10% instant discount on HDFC cards. To know the best offers of Amazon Great Indian Festival and Flipkart Big Billion Day, visit Gadget GuruBN website for more info. These are the pros and cons. For product rating, I would give 8.16 out of 10. For VFM rating, I would give 6 out of 10. Gadget Gurubian rating is 7.08 out of 10. Lastly, what do I feel about the OnePlus 8T? In simple words, it's a great smartphone for various kinds of usage at a good price. So what do you guys think of the OnePlus 8T? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. So that's it for this video. If you found this video useful and want to see more updates like this one, make sure to like and share to show your support. You can follow me on all your favorite social media, links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for future updates, and till then stay awesome.